In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task automation in GoodDay. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can save time and make your workflows run more smoothly. Let's start from your GoodDay workspace, where you can see your list of tasks. First, locate the specific task you want to automate. Move your cursor over the task name, and you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots appear next to it. This 3-dot menu is where GoodDay keeps a lot of the advanced options for each task. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the Task Options menu. Once that menu opens, look for the option labeled Settings. This is the central place where you can configure details and behaviors for that task or its project. Click on Settings and a new panel or window will open, depending on how you have GoodDay laid out on your screen. Inside the Settings area, you'll see several sections or tabs. What you're looking for now is the section called Workflow. The Workflow section controls how your task moves through different stages like To Do, In Progress, or Done, and it's also where GoodDay allows you to attach automations to those transitions. Find the Workflow option and click on it to open the Workflow settings. When you're in the Workflow settings, you should now see an option related to automation. It may appear as a tab, a button, or a link labeled Automation. Click on Automation to access the tools for creating and managing your automated rules. This is the area where you can tell GoodDay what should happen automatically when certain conditions are met. After you click into the automation area, just follow the on-screen prompts. GoodDay will guide you step by step, usually starting by asking you what kind of trigger you want. A trigger might be something like a task changing status, being assigned to someone, or reaching a due date. Then you'll be able to choose what action should happen in response, such as updating a field, changing the status, or notifying a team member. As you move through these prompts, take a moment to read each description carefully so you're clear on what the automation will do. If there are options to test or preview the rule, use them before saving. When you're happy with the setup, confirm and save your automation. From that point on, GoodDay will automatically handle those repetitive steps for you, helping keep your tasks organized and your workflow consistent.